go to OpenRouter.ai and sign up for a free account in order for you to start using DeepSeek for free. Then you're going to go into your avatar settings here, or not necessarily settings, but your avatar up in the right corner, and click on keys and create a key. So here I already created a key for n8n. So with OpenRouter, they will only show you the key one time. So if you don't save this key, you'll have to create a new one for your use in n8n. Okay, so now you've got your OpenRouter.ai account set up. You have your API key set up. And here there's some instructions which I just covered, right? So what you want to do is, let's click on this one here. So I'm just, this node, I've set it to just do a for YouTube. And so what you guys want to do is, for authentication, select generic credential type, and then here the open, you want to create a new credential, and here in these instructions, you want to name it authorization. Then for the password part, put bearer, space, and your API key. Okay, so here, if I go in here and do a new credential, you would put authorization here. And then here, right now you can't see it, but if I with the expression portion, right, bearer, and then your API key here. Okay, so that's how you would create the authorization for this. So I already have that set up, so we'll go back. And then here it's just a JSON, and the model that you want is the DeepSeek R1 free. So you won't get charged anything for use of this model. And I just did just a sample prompt to write a story about a dog, right? And then the other thing I set up here is what you'll see when you hit OpenRouter and the DeepSeek model is that you're going to get sort of fail reports, or here you'll see that you'll get a lot of too many request results when you try to hit the model. So I've set it up here so that if this node is successful but still returned a too many requests, we'll just go back and keep trying, and it'll keep trying until the model is sending back a result. And then here you just, this is not really important. You can set this to however you want, whatever you want, but the important piece for this video here is that by using OpenRouter.ai and the free DeepSeek R1 model, which is the best model that they have currently, you can get free access with some error handling so that you don't have to manually reset those requests. So hopefully that helps, and you can get this implemented into your n8n workflows and get the advantage of the free language model that is supposedly as good as ChatGPT O1 or OpenAI's O1 reasoning model. All right, good luck. Thanks.